Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing, guys. So we have another listing. So this one, no, after the wooden bridge or bamboo bridge. So this one, no, it has a deep well with water pump. So this is the property, 2,495 square meters at 700 pesos per square meter. Net, limpyo na. Limpyo na idawaton sa owner. So meaning limpyo, all expenses to transfer from seller to buyer is on the account of the buyer side. So usbo na to ang pagbalhin sa pangan gikan sa tag-iya ngadto sa mupalit, obligasyon na sa mupalit. Yan na, siya ni bahala, no? Then we have a drone video, no, over the property. So natay video. So it is just only second lot from the concrete road or provincial road. This is located in Barangay Esperanza, Aloginsan, Cebu. So there are buildings. So there are so many neighborhood in the area, no? Di ni pwede kanang dili gustong mingaw. Kanang actually the 2,495 is a very good size of lot because it's guys, manageable. So manageable siya. Then this big flat also is for sale man, guys. The owner will sell 1 hectare or less than, depende lang siguro, no, because actually the total size of that area, this plot, is 5 hectares. Then he will allow to sell at 1 hectare at 1,000 pesos per square meter. Regarding to the property, no, which is second lot, we can ask the first lot to have a road right of way. So i-connect ra na to at 1,000, same ra gyapon presyo. So maano magid ang gusto may tabo sa owner, no. Although the owner of this big flat terrain also is the cousin of my wife. So igagaw ra sa akong misis kanang first lot. And this one, klaro kayo, mo gyud ni ang planted with corn or planted by corn. This is the property. Then there are coconut trees belongs to the property. Kining galinya nga lubi is included, are included. So what you are going to do in this location, you can have your own residential house. Put your residential house, then you can have a farming, you can have a small piggery or small poultry. So there's no problem in the area. So you are already safe. There is a water, electricity, signal. So all are complete, no? So this is really good, no? Approximately less than 15 minutes drive from Carcar City. 15 minutos na, guys, from Carcar City. So as you can see, no, very nice good ang property nga atong ginabaligya. So I repeat, guys, the size is 2,495 square meters at 700 pesos per square meter. Then just only second lot from the provincial road or provincial highway. So nindot kayo ni, kompleto na ka. All you have to do is to build your house, no? So then the good thing is the first lot can give a portion of road right of way. Di yung hatag babayaran go tag 1,000 per square meter. They are going to sell a portion of their land for the road right of way of the second lot at 1,000 pesos per square meter. So sige lang, although mga asking price man let's say na lang how you are really interested to this property, no. So there is a small creek, no, pwede na butangan ni mo culvert, guys. See, there is a bamboo, no. The other side is a foreigner na siya, guys, na minyo o Pilipina. So kisad, no, nagyo tay silingan. But it's not crowded. It's good place. So atong gipatabok ang drone, guys, no. So this big plot terrain, guys, no, is also for sale. The owner will sell at 1 hectare. So pwede niya baligya 1 hectare, or I think he can allow 5,000 square meters. Okay, daghan ko no siya bayranan pa. So 5,000, mga 5 million po. Pero di nimo kaya, basi pwede ta makakuha diri og 2,500. Pero 1,000 I don't think so he will allow, kay mura man og munipis. I think they will allow the 2,500, but not yet sure, ha. Dili gid ko sure kayo. And this property, no, this is really for sale, no. That is why we can guarantee for the road right of way, because the relation of the first lot and the second lot are just only relatives. They are cousin with each other. Igagaw na sila, guys. So parente. So pwede rin kita makakuha diri og road right of way. Then you can buy also a portion. Pwede ra pod. For inquiries, just contact me.